Hello students. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of electricity, a crucial aspect of our everyday lives. Electricity is essentially the movement of electric charges, particularly electrons, through conductive materials like wires, and it plays a vital role in powering everything from our homes to industrial machinery. Let's begin by discussing electric charges. These are the fundamental properties of particles like electrons and protons, which are responsible for electric forces and interactions between objects. Protons, found in the nucleus of atoms, carry a positive charge, while electrons, which orbit the nucleus, carry a negative charge. These charges are always conserved, meaning they can neither be created nor destroyed, only transferred from one object to another. The transfer of electric charge can occur through various processes. For instance, when two objects are rubbed together, they may exchange electrons, leading to one object becoming negatively charged and the other positively charged. This process is known as friction. Additionally, the charge can be transferred by direct contact, known as conduction, or by the influence of a nearby charged object, a process called induction. Remember, opposite charges attract each other, while like charges repel. Moving on, electric potential is a concept that describes the potential energy per unit charge at a specific point in an electric field. To move a charge within this field, work must be done, and the amount of work required to move a unit positive charge from infinity to a given point defines the electric potential at that point. The unit of electric potential is the volt, V. And this leads us to the concept of potential difference, which is often referred to as voltage. Potential difference is essentially the difference in electric potential between 2 points in a circuit. It is the work done to move a unit charge from one point to another and is measured in volts using a device called a voltmeter. The voltmeter is connected in parallel across the 2 points where the potential difference is to be measured. The greater the potential difference, the more work is done, and this drives the flow of electric current. Speaking of electric current, it is the flow of electric charges, specifically electrons, through a conductor, driven by the potential difference. The current is defined as the amount of charge passing through a point in the conductor per unit of time, and it is measured in amperes. To maintain a continuous flow of electric current, a potential difference must be sustained, typically by a cell or battery, which acts as a source of electrical energy. An electric circuit is a complete, closed path that allows electric current to flow. It consists of various components, including a power source, such as a battery, connecting wires, resistances, such as light bulbs, and switches. The circuit is complete when all components are connected, allowing current to flow from the power source through the components and back to the source. A switch in the circuit can be used to open or close the circuit, controlling the flow of current. Ohm's law is a fundamental principle that defines the relationship between the current flowing through a conductor, the potential difference across it, and the resistance of the conductor. According to Ohm's law, the current through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends, and inversely proportional to its resistance. This law is crucial for understanding how electrical circuits function, as it allows us to calculate the current, voltage, or resistance in a circuit when the other two quantities are known. The resistance of a conductor is a measure of how much it opposes the flow of electric current. It depends on factors such as the material of the conductor, its length, and its cross-sectional area. For example, a longer wire has more resistance than a shorter one, and a wire with a larger cross-sectional area has less resistance than one with a smaller area. The resistance also varies with temperature, increasing for most conductors as the temperature rises. Resistivity is a property that quantifies how strongly a given material opposes the flow of electric current. Materials with low resistivity, like copper and aluminum, are good conductors, while those with high resistivity, like rubber and glass, are insulators. The resistivity of a material is influenced by factors such as temperature and the material's composition, making it an important consideration in designing electrical systems. In circuits, resistors can be combined in different ways to achieve desired electrical characteristics. Series and parallel are two basic methods of connecting resistors. In a series circuit, resistors are connected end to end, and the total resistance is the sum of the individual resistances. In a parallel circuit, resistors are connected across the same 2 points, and the total resistance is lower than the resistance of any single resistor. The choice between series and parallel connections depends on the specific needs of the circuit. In domestic electrical systems, parallel circuits are commonly used because they allow independent control of different devices and ensure that if one device fails, the others continue to operate. Electric power measured in watts, W, represents the rate at which electrical energy is consumed or converted in a circuit. The power consumed by a device is calculated using the formula P = Vx1, where V is the potential difference and I is the current. Finally, the heating effect of current is a phenomenon where electrical energy is converted into heat as current flows through a conductor with resistance. This effect is harnessed in devices like electric heaters and incandescent light bulbs. The heat produced in a conductor is directly proportional to the square of the current, the resistance, and the time for which the current flows, as described by Joule's law. Now here's a question for you to test your knowledge. What is the unit used to measure electric resistance? Please share your answer in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 10 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.